Welcome to Learn a Lot. In this video, we will install a theme called enlighlite in Moodle. First, we will download the theme enlighlite. Theme download link given in the description of this video. Download the compatible version of the theme. Now log into Moodle site as admin and click on Site Administration and click on Plugins. Click on Install Plugin. Click on Choose a File button and select the theme file we downloaded. Click on Install Plugin from the zip file button. Moodle will validate the upload and give you the validation successful message. Now click on Continue button. Our server meets all the minimum requirements to install this theme. Click on Continue button. Click on Upgrade Moodle Database Now button. Now the theme uploaded to Moodle server. Click on Continue. Here we can change the theme color, logo, slider images. All these settings can be changed later. Now we will just click on Save Changes button. Now click on Site Administration, click on Appearance and click on Theme Selector. The default theme is Boost. Click on Change Theme button. Scroll down to enlighlite and click on Use Theme button. Click on Site Home to preview the home page of your Moodle site. We can change the slider logo and other details. Now come back to the dashboard. Click on the Site Administration and click on Appearance, and in Theme section, click on enlighlite. In General tab, we can change color schemes, header styles, logos and menus. In Home Page slider, we can change the slider images and slider text. In Marketing Spots tab, we can change Marketing Spot 1, this is About Us, and Marketing Spot 2, this is the Learn Anytime. In Footer Blocks tab, Footer Block 1 is About Us description, Footer Block 2 Information for, Footer Blocks 3 Quick Links, Footer Block 4 Contact Information. And the copyright information. We have successfully completed the installation of the theme in Moodle. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel.